but now I'm freezing my face off. It's snowing. We're gonna have snow and pasta, and this whole place is empty, which is really neat because usually it's always very, very busy and it's super loud. But today it's great because no one's here and I can film. I can have this whole place to myself under this heat lamp. This is one of my favorite spots. I can't believe I'm sharing this. I might delete this video if too many people see it.
Oh, nice.
What can I do without this?
So good.
Oh my god. So easy to eat this.
Hurries.
Here we go.
Oh, beautiful.
This is extra cheese for you.
Thank you. You know how I like it. Thank you so
you.
much. One more. What is this?
Pappardelle, truffle oil, prosciutto.
One hour later.
Guys, I worked at Volkswagen back in the day. I was the waitress in the sports bar. Imagine me, a waitress in a sports bar, dropping drinks. It's still snowing. It's so pretty.
Oh, it's so mold.
Okay guys, pause. I just want to come here really quickly and wish one of my subscribers who's been with me since I had 100 subscribers last year. So happy birthday, Geraldine. I hope you have an amazing birthday, beautiful, on February 1. Thank you so much for being so supportive. So yeah, back to the video.
But yeah, no, we just,
It's
there's
good.
so much slime.
2 hours later.
So we just got out of the comedy show and guess what? It's snowing and it's actually setting here. Like I can actually touch it. I touched snow! I haven't touched snow all winter. Okay, that was exciting. Okay. Look, snow. Oh, it actually sticks together. Oh my goodness. Look, I made a snowball. Oh yikes. I'm keeping this.
15 minutes later.
Blowing on top. Oh shit, it's windy. Oh shit. Oh wow. Oh, they're putting salt.
The next day.
We're talking about, though, a potential winter storm here. We're tracking a nor'easter for Friday night into Saturday. Heavy snow and strong winds a possibility, especially east of the city. And
You gotta hurry up.
Okay, now it's kind of starting to get windy again. Okay, I don't have the right gloves for it, so I can't really like make a snowman. I don't really have like wintry gloves because you never think like, you think New York cold and snowy and stuff, but it's not always like this. Or at least the last couple of years, I feel like it hasn't really snowed much. Anyways, I'm just gonna use my hand. Oh shit. I thought it was like, okay, I'm good, I can hold it for a second. But nuh-uh. Fuck, it's cold. It's so pretty out. Snow, snow, snow. Snow, snow, snow. It's pretty dead out here right now. I don't even feel like it's such a storm. But then again, I wasn't out earlier today when it was snowing like crazy. But it's so pretty. I'm so excited.
2 seconds later.
Oh, it's so cold. Ah, it's so cold. Why am I doing this? Today I thought, oh, let me go outside. It's snowy, it's pretty, let me go film. But now I'm freezing my face off. Best part about snow, it looks like this, and the aftermath. Now my face is starting to get cold. Thank you. You warm enough?
Yes.
Camera
sir.
guy. Now we're going to Madison Square Park. So this is not the dog run. The other side is the dog run over there, but this is where you can like sit and there's grass and stuff. Not today, but look, they're so cute, these doggies. I don't think I can zoom in more than that. Oh, they're having so much fun. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. Okay, so usually there are steps here. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not so cold anymore because earlier when we were walking, like a few avenues over, it was very windy. But over here is actually pretty fine. I can pretty much chill. Kind of like a summer, but except on the snow. The first day of snow, best day of snow. So I had to come here and like shoot some videos and stuff. And of course the coffee definitely helps. Oh my god, that's so cute, look. Lawn closed. Is it though? Okay, we're home. Well, I'm home. It is so pretty out, and I was outside for like an hour enjoying the snow because, like I've said, if you follow my Instagram, you know, it hasn't been snowing much this winter It hasn't been snowing this much in New York this winter. Even look at like my neighbors, like patios full of snow. And like along the window, it is absolutely beautiful. Since we're home right now, I'm just gonna start cooking. I'm gonna make some soup. And next week, I'll be posting what I eat in the week vegan edition. So there's gonna be a lot of yummy recipes on that one. So stay tuned for that video. I hope you like this one, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.